Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you all natural, chemical-free, anti-aging remedies that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, tightens the skin, and brings back that healthy glow. So first, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. Flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural collagen boosters. They help in reducing fine lines, improving skin elasticity, and keeping the skin youthful and firm. Now to this, add 2 teaspoons of rice. Rice is rich in vitamin B, amino acids, and natural brightening agents that help lighten dark spots and make your skin glow from within. Next, pour 1 cup of water into the pan. Now place it on low flame and let it cook slowly. You need to cook it until the rice becomes soft and the flax seeds release their natural gel. As it starts cooking, you'll notice the water getting thicker and turning into a gel-like consistency. That's exactly what we want. Keep stirring it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pan. And while it's cooking slowly, let's have a little chat. Tell me in the comments from which country are you watching this video. I love knowing where my viewers are from. It always feels so nice to see people from different parts of the world coming together here. And yes, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming natural beauty remedies and skincare tips. Once it becomes thick and creamy, like a soft porridge, turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. After it cools down, transfer it to a blender and blend it well until you get a smooth paste. This should be creamy and uniform in texture. No lumps at all. And there you go. Your flaxseed and rice base paste is ready. We'll use this same paste for both of our anti-aging remedies. Now, let's start with the first remedy, which is our skin tightening and glowing face pack. Take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed and rice paste that we just made. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is one of the best natural moisturizers. It keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and glowing. It also has antibacterial properties that help reduce acne and give your skin a smooth texture. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Coffee is full of antioxidants and caffeine that help improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and tighten your skin naturally. It's also great for removing dullness and bringing instant brightness to the face. Now, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply nourishes the skin, helps repair damage, and locks in moisture. It's also rich in vitamin E, which helps in reducing wrinkles and keeps your skin soft and supple. Now mix everything together really well until all the ingredients are nicely combined. Once it's mixed, take a fine strainer or a muslin cloth and strain the mixture. This step is very important because it helps remove any large particles from the rice, flax seeds, or coffee and gives you a smooth, creamy texture that feels soft and pleasant on your skin. Before applying any new remedy, remember to always do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the paste on your wrist, behind your ear, or on your neck, and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't feel any irritation or itching, then you can safely apply it to your face. This step is super important because everyone's skin is different. What works perfectly for one person might not suit another. After straining, you'll have a silky smooth and creamy paste. This is your anti-aging face pack. Now, let's move on to how to use it. Apply this creamy pack evenly all over your face and neck. Always apply it in upward circular motions. This helps lift your skin and improve blood circulation. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes, then leave it on for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll feel the pack tightening as it dries. That's the flaxseed gel working its magic. After 30 minutes, wash it off with normal water. Once you rinse it off, you'll immediately notice your skin feels smoother, tighter, and refreshed. It adds a natural glow and makes your face look rejuvenated. Use this pack once or twice a week, and within a few weeks, you'll see visible improvement in fine lines and wrinkles. The best part is, you can store the leftover pack, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass container, and keep it in the fridge. It stays fresh for about 7 days. Always use a clean spoon when taking it out, and never dip your fingers directly into the container. This helps keep it bacteria-free. This first remedy is great for anti-aging, reducing wrinkles, tightening loose skin, and bringing that youthful glow back. Now, let's move on to the second remedy, which is our hydrating and firming face mask. This one is great for dry, dull, or tired skin that needs deep nourishment and elasticity. Take a clean bowl and, again, add 2 tablespoons of our flaxseed and rice paste. Now add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is full of vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes that soothe the skin, heal damage, and deeply hydrate it. It also helps fade blemishes and give your skin a smooth, plump look. Mix these 2 ingredients well first. Make sure there are no lumps. Now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that repair and rejuvenate the skin. It helps reduce dryness and improves the overall texture of your skin. After this, add a few drops of argan oil. Argan oil is known as liquid gold for the skin. It's loaded with vitamin E and essential fatty acids that help in skin regeneration and repair. It restores elasticity and makes your skin soft and radiant. Now, mix everything together really well until you get a smooth consistency. Once it's ready, apply this mask all over your face and neck in upward strokes. Massage it gently using your fingertips for a minute or 2 to help the oils and nutrients penetrate deeply. Then, leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes. This pack feels very cooling and soothing on the skin. It hydrates deeply, reduces dryness, and gives your skin that fresh, glowing look. After 30 to 45 minutes, rinse it off with normal water and gently pat your face dry. Apply your favorite moisturizer afterward to lock in all that goodness. You can also store this mask in a clean, airtight glass container and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. Apply it once or twice a week for best results. This second mask is perfect for those who want soft, plump, and hydrated skin. It helps reduce dryness, improves elasticity, and gives your skin that youthful, healthy bounce. These packs help fight early signs of aging, like fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. They tighten your skin naturally, improve elasticity, and give you a healthy glow. They also work on uneven skin tone, dullness, and dryness, leaving your skin looking fresh, firm, and radiant. If you use these remedies regularly, just once or twice a week, you'll start noticing visible results within a few weeks. These remedies not only work on the surface, but also nourish your skin from within, improving its health and resilience over time. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't need expensive creams. It just needs care, patience, and the right natural ingredients. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty and skincare tips. Take care of your skin, stay confident, and stay naturally beautiful. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.